Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. We're going to get started with our rhyming. Remember, you're going to repeat after me and then give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't. Dry my. Here, cheer. Lid, tab. Now, two. Jump, bump. Great. Now I'm going to say two words and the sound they begin with. You're going to copy me. Jump, jog, j. Salt, sort, s. North, nap, Fence, far, Male, may, Great. Next one, you're going to need your choppers. So with those choppers, we are going to say two parts of a word and then blend them together. Bay. Way. Pay. May. Lay. Nice job with that one. Next one is our roller coaster. So you're going to have a word. You're going to watch my roller coaster first, then you're going to make your own, okay? Our first word is cash. Ash. Middle sound. Ah. Good. Hen. Middle sound. Hip. Ip. Middle sound. Clock. Clock. Middle sound. Such. Such. Middle sound. You got it. Nice job. All right, we're going to need our choppers again. This time, we're going to say the whole word, then chop it into two pieces. Pie. P-I. Y. W-I. Tie. T-I. Buy. B-I. High. H-I. Great job. Next one is adding pieces to our words. All right, so we're going to start with a middle sound and add a beginning. Ooh. Add g. Goo. I. Add h. High. A. Add w. Way. E. Add b. B. O. Add mo. Nice job. Now we're going to delete a part of a word. So you're going to hold a little word in your hands and we're going to take away the beginning. All right. Your word is we. Without w, what's left is e. My. Without what's left is I. Toe. Without t, What's left is O. U without Y. What's left is oo. Lay without l. What's left is a. Great. All right, our last one. It's our newer one. It's substituting sounds. So we're going to start with a word. You're going to need your fists, and we're going to change out the beginning of the word. Okay. Your word is my. Change to b. Buy. Buy. Change b to l. Lie. Lie. Change l to t. Tie. Good. Tie. Change t to s. Sigh. Excellent. Great job with that today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.